Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. Hey friends, how are you doing? Xpiks just released a new update. It's 1.6. So if you have installed that new update, if you have unzipped the archive, this is the screen that you will get. You will get some terms and conditions, okay, and you will get a health report, okay. In the health report, it's nothing but they will ask you about sending anonymous report if there is any bug. So I always request you to click the health report option, tick and agree. Now there's a whole lot of features in this new update. The first and foremost is Xpiks has got new AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, so if you need help anything regarding anything, you can just ask Xpiks. Okay, maybe you need help regarding some title or keywords or any synonyms, common words that you might be out in your mind. Xpiks will suggest you that. The next is tagging. Okay, tagging by color. Maybe you have some few sets of photos in hard drive, you have imported them all at once, but maybe there few are editorial, few are yet to be edited, few are commercial, like that. So you can have different sets and now you can organize them in Xpiks using color coding. Okay, so yellow dot, red dot, green dot, you can do it. Okay, so you can, there's a excellent way to organize your files. The next one is huge. At just before this version till 1.5, if you click upload button once, you cannot touch your files. Those files are locked. Not anymore. You can now edit your files, especially artworks, while uploading. Okay, those EPS files the graphic designers, vectors they used to upload, you can now edit them on the fly even if your progress bar is on. Before that, if you try to edit them, you can't. Those edit options are basically not highlighted. Now you can edit the titles, keyword, etc. during uploading. The next feature is another exciting feature. It's an import feature enabled from CSV files. Okay, CSV files are specially used by videographers. There are many veteran videographers who have been uploading to many stock agencies much before Xpiks was even introduced. Okay, and I'm sure they must be having those data files. CSV files are some sort of Excel files in which you can actually put the file name, the video name, and all the title, keyword, description in that individual file only. So when you import a CSV file using a website interface, it automatically loads the titles, the keywords and the descriptions. It's a very easy way for videographers. Now you can do the same in Xpiks also. So if you want to upload into all the other websites using Xpiks, and if you have got some CSV file, you don't need to individually give keyword, title and description to the video files, because as you know, video keywording, titling, etc. not supported via Xpiks. Now you can upload the CSV file, you can import it, and then you can directly upload to the various stock photography agencies. And there's another feature, you can actually track individual files. Okay, you can track individual files where they have been uploaded, so you can easily do that. This is extremely helpful if your files are getting rejected, and if you edit them, re-edit them and re-upload them using Xpiks, you can actually keep a track when your files were uploaded, when you need to re-upload them again in any specific agency. And the next is you can now edit and upload your SVG files. SVG are scalable vector graphics. These are actually vector files for the graphic designers. You can upload them using Xpiks. Now SVG files are not supported in Shutterstock. I don't work with vectors, but I'm sure vector artists know where to upload them, especially in agencies like FreePic and VectorStock. I think SVG files are supported. So this is all about the new Xpiks. Okay, and last but not the least, there is one master password. Okay, if you are suspecting that someone is handling your PC, or if you are uploading in a cyber cafe, for example, you can actually lock your interface and all your hosts, address, FTP sites will remain safe. So nobody can actually enter into your Xpiks interface unless you give a master password. Okay, so very important and welcome update for Xpiks. But there is a big but. All of these features are not free. Okay, these are Pro. So you can try it. Okay, you can try for to go to the pro mode. I will try for free. Definitely, when you click on try, your pro mode trial will be activated. Okay, so you can enjoy these features, you can try out, and if you think you are enjoying these features, then you can continue your trial, and then you can actually pay for these pro features. Well, regarding the other features, everything is same. You can enter your FTP site using the manage hosts menu. Okay, but as I always tell you, before uploading to any website, you need to test the connection. Okay, for example, my Shutterstock is now showing a red color. It means the FTP server is not active, whereas 123 RF, I think Dreamstime will give a green color. So let's wait and see. If it's green, yes, it's green, you can jolly well upload into those agencies. Well, I think there must be some bug. While making this video, there's a screen which says install 1.6.0.4. Okay, I'll just upgrade later. I will not be upgrading this during this video. Now these are the things, okay, Xpiks have got. And if you lost that screen, you can click on help and you can go to what's new, and then again that screen will come. Also, you can go to the frequently asked question, and Xpiks will direct you towards their website, where you can go through all these problems, any issue that you might be having in details in their website. So that was it. That's a small weekly update regarding Xpiks. I just thought to share with it you guys. Those of you who are having problems with the latest edition of Xpiks, I will suggest them to use the old version. And if you need details Xpiks guide, I have made multiple videos for FTP as well as keywords. The links to them are in the description. So thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.